Nagant Revolver is truly unique with its moving cylinder. This action, which seals the forcing cone, makes this a suppressible revolver. Due to the age of this pistol, documentation on the assembly and disassembly is limited, and the intent of this video by Elite Security and Tactical Supply is to provide a resource for owners of this firearm on how to break it down. In the diagram on the screen, the parts that are critical for us to pay attention to are the ejection rod and the ejection rod housing, which is identified in red. This is also the cylinder rotation axle. As with all firearms, ensure that the firearm is clear or unloaded prior to attempting to clean or work on it.
Okay, so now we are going to disassemble the M1895 Nagant Revolver. First thing you want to do is you want to verify that there are no rounds in the chamber. Notice my loading gate is open. Normally the loading gate will be closed. You open the loading gate and then you rotate the cylinder to verify that you don't have any rounds inside the cylinder. Next, take your ejection rod, you turn it clockwise, pull it out, rotate your ejection rod sleeve out of the way, and then if you'll reach underneath here, this is the ejection rod housing or the axle for the cylinder. Sometimes it'll fly out on you, but you pull that out, then you come over here, push the cylinder forward, lift it, and now the M1895 Nagant Revolver is disassembled. After cleaning the firearm, we'd want to put it back together. You start by taking your spring housing here. You want to depress it so it's back into the housing. So you depress it, slide your cylinder back in place, take your cylinder axle, slide it in until it locks into the divot inside the frame. Rotate your ejector rod housing back down, push all the way in, rotate it counterclockwise, spin the cylinder to make sure the cylinder spins alright, and go ahead and check the action to make sure that the cylinder moves forward as it's supposed to. Works in single action, and it works in double action. The M1895 Nagant Revolver is now reassembled.